Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled vegetable skewers. They're easy, they're healthy, they're perfect for summertime, especially because so many vegetables are in season. For the vegetables I'm using green zucchini and golden zucchini, red bell pepper, red onion, and mushrooms. These are baby bellas. Most of them are small, so you don't have to cut them up, you can just thread them whole. Some of them are bigger, you can cut them in half. They come in a packet, so you really can't choose the size that you want. Instead of the baby bellas, you can definitely use the white button mushrooms. I'm using these vegetables because they looked good at the market. You can of course substitute other vegetables. Green bell peppers and eggplant are good options. For the skewers, you can use wood or steel. If you're using wooden skewers, make sure to soak them first. These bamboo skewers are 10 inches long. These steel skewers are easy to use. They're much longer than the wooden ones, so as long as your grill is large, you can use the steel ones. We'll also need some garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the herbs, I'm using fresh thyme and oregano. Dried is fine if you don't have fresh. We'll also need some lemons. I'll show you how to cut the vegetables for the skewers. Cut the onion in half and into quarters. If you have a very large onion like this, you can cut this in half again. Cut them into pieces about 1 inch across. Cut all the vegetables about the same size, 1 inch. If the zucchini is thin like this, about 1 inch across, you can leave them whole. If they're bigger, cut them in half. Same with the green zucchini. Mince a few garlic cloves. Mince the herbs. Wash the mushrooms. Pop off the stem. And wipe them dry. Again, most of these you can leave whole, but the bigger ones like this you can cut in half. If you get a monster mushroom like this one, you can cut it into 4 pieces. Cut some lemon wedges to squeeze over the top of the skewers. To a large bowl, add olive oil, the chopped herbs, garlic, salt, ground black pepper. Give that a mix. Add all the vegetables. And mix this really well. The vegetables are coated nicely in the oil, the herbs, and garlic. Leave this to marinate while you heat up the grill. Time to thread the skewers. Alternate all the different colors. You've got a nice colorful vegetable skewer. If you've got some big pieces, just put them together in a skewer so they cook evenly. You can get about 10 skewers from this recipe, and that'll serve 5 people if you're going to have 2 skewers each. My grill's heated up. I'm using an indoor electric grill. Of course, you can do this outside on any gas grill or charcoal grill. I did just do a review of this indoor grill on my other channel, Best Kitchen Reviews. So if you're thinking of getting an indoor grill, I'll leave a link below. You can watch that review. Total cooking time is about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your grill. Turn them a few times so they cook evenly. There will be some of the marinade left at the bottom of the bowl, so you can baste the skewers while they're cooking. I cooked them about 15 minutes and they were a little more than crisp tender. If you want them a little bit softer, cook a few more minutes. Take them off the grill, put them on your serving plate, and squeeze lemon juice all over them. Vegetables are at their peak during the summer and they taste the best at this time. All you need are some herbs, garlic, salt and pepper to flavor the vegetables. The vegetables are juicy, they're tasty, and you saw how easy it was to make. I do hope you give this a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.